little back action, you know.
That girl, look at your body. You sound like you just came from Johnny Day.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. That was so awkward. Anyways, hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you with the wig still on, you know, all that good jazz. Today's video is going to just be an install of a unit that was sent to me from SoGoodHair.com. So we're going to go ahead and get this unit applied on so you guys can see how I apply my frontal units. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. This is the unit right now. I bleached the knot, so that's why it looks like this in the inside. I haven't cut the lace off or anything, and then I also just bleached some of the hair just a little bit. And yeah, we got just a little bit of light. It reminds me of F1B30. So if you guys Google F1B30, you'll see what that color looks like. That's what this is reminding me of. So has just a little bit of brown in it in some spots, so you see, but I think it's still gonna come out cute. So this is a 12-inch or 10-inch. So here is the unit. We're gonna make it into like a blunt cut bob. The unit also actually came with some 3D mink lashes, and these lashes look pretty bomb, so I'm excited. Go ahead and get this unit applied on, and then I'll come back to you guys with my thoughts. Like, do you see what this looks like? That shit looks amazing. What in the hell? Like, this shit looks like it's growing out of my freaking roots. What in the hell? Oh my god. is the completed look from this unit, from this wig. And let me tell you guys, I love it. Okay, because for one thing, like I always say, I love straight hair, so it's straight. Well, actually, it comes like wavy. So this is 100% virgin Remy hair. It does come wavy, but I straightened it because y'all know I love my straight hair. Like, straight hair is my jam. Okay, so I love for my hair to be straight, and I also love this length. This length is like, it's like office appropriate, but still like going out dinner appropriate, and just like being out with your friends or your boo appropriate. So it's like, this length is so cute. It's 10 inches long, not 12. I'm pretty sure this is 10. This is a 10-inch unit. So I just straightened it. I didn't have to cut it or anything like that. It's just naturally like this. Okay, all I did was straighten it, and that's it. I did bleach the knots on this unit, you guys. That's all I did. I didn't have to do anything else. I didn't do any plucking. Like, this is just your natural part. I added a little bit of powder. Y'all know this is different as well, because when do I ever wear my part on the right side? Unless the unit comes designed like that, that's the only time I'm gonna wear the unit with the parting on the side. But when I was like brushing it and the hair fell on this side, I was like, this is cute, so I left it like that. This unit comes from SoGoodHair company, so I will put the link in the description box below so you guys can check that out. You guys saw like the installation of everything, and I combed it, brushed it. I did so much, and guys, there was no tangling and no shedding. I kid you not. Like, this is one of the best quality, like more expensive units that I've had, and I'm here for it. Like, I can just imagine if it's longer. Like, I'm just so pleased that it didn't even shed or tangle or anything like that. So it's lit. I love this unit. Like, this is just a really good quality unit, guys. The texture is super soft, like so soft. Like, I'm just like in love with it. I don't even know where to start off with this, because I was just so happy that like I didn't have to do much work to it, y'all. Like, usually when I have units like this, I have to like just do so much plucking, do like just so much maintenance, y'all. And this, they're just required like the minimalist amount of maintenance ever. Like, I just swooped the little baby hairs in the front, and it's pre-plucked, and it has its own baby hairs. It's super like, it's just so well fitting. There's so much space in the cap. It also has adjustable straps, so if you need it to be tighter, it will be tighter. Like, I'm just y'all, I'm just so lit for this unit. I am, and I really want you guys to try it out. Like, if you've never had a 10-inch unit, or if you just never had, if you want to try a unit that's like on the more expensive side, like on the more expensive side with the frontal and all that, try this one. Like, I'm just so serious. This one I really want you to try, because I just had such a great experience with it. Because doing units like this and having to do work to it to make it look how you want it to look, sometimes I just don't want to do all of that, and I didn't have to do that with this one. I'm just really pleased, and it doesn't have me looking like helmet head over here. It's like fitted to my head and laid down. Like, look at this, y'all. I want you to get a good close-up look. Like, I might have a little bit of makeup and flakes there, but I also added just like some little bleached highlights to it, so it's a little more brown than what it comes as. It comes as like 1B, like off black, but I definitely added just some little highlights to it to make it look, you know, how I want it to look. So I'm here for it. I'm so here for this unit, and I hope you guys are too. So if you're interested in it, make sure you check out my description box below. Okay, I'll say thank you to SoGoodHair for sending me this unit. I love this unit. It's so cute. It's so cute. I love it so much. Like, I'm wearing this for about 2 or 3 days right now, because usually I just wear them for a day and I take them off, and then I change my hair the next day. But I'm gonna wear this one for about a good 2-3 days for sure, for sure. And I'm also always scared of 10-inch units, but this one, I'm here for it, y'all. Look at it. Let me turn around, let you get a little back view. A little back action, you know. It has the body and everything. Like, yes, this is cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Go ahead and comment and tell me if you like it or not, or whatever you think. Just comment below. I'm here for it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.